just got some beard now. So Diablo. Yes. Yeah, thanks for coming in, it's right. We got 7 already. Cool. Alright, so yeah, little backstory. Got some stuff from Magic Mike with name, 100%. And speaking of Magic City Mike, on Friday night, if you haven't seen it, which I'm sure a lot of you have, Swag and I will be live together on my YouTube channel at 9 p.m. Eastern Time to do a scent reveal for Magic City's new scent that I've been testing recently and Swag has now, and a couple others. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. Giveaways, discount codes, announcements, which you're not gonna want to miss. What's up, Liam? But yeah, so back in what I was talking about. What's up, Sasquatch? So shortly after I think it was shortly after I started streaming with Swag and talking to Swag, he just met. I woke up to a message from him one morning. He's like, "What's your address? I've got some companies wanting to send you some swag, some stuff." So one of the companies that he arranged to have stuff sent to me is Mr Pompadour, which I've never tried before. So I'm excited to check this out. Yeah, and then so shout out to Swag. Yeah, it's, I have no idea what's in here, so this is going to be a complete surprise. Raleigh, North Carolina. Cool. Change your last name to Cribs. Spike's an awesome, 100%. Yeah, Spike's great. It's been really fun to talk to him and stream with him, and yeah, it's awesome. All right, so Spike Jr. I would take it. What's up, Russ Young? A little spot on the shelf made me think something was on my phone screen. A spot on the wall. Oh, right here? Yep. Pull that knife out like crooked. Yep. What's up, Alfredo? Yeah, I've had this for a couple years. It's a good knife. His name's Jordan Swag Jr. There you go. It is now official. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, okay. Oil, softener, beard wash, oil. Spot, yep. Yeah, I know. Here, I'll try to just hand you with that. You know. I've done a lot of unboxings. Oh, this is really cool. So, Mr Pompadour beard wash. Really nice packaging. This is a 3.4 ounce. Ooh, it's like a pepperminty type smell. And this is great because I've been working on trying more more beard washers this year. And then next, the beard softeners. This is like a conditioner. So another wash and co-wash combo that I can test out. Sniper Wolf, Tommy. Man. Yeah, it's a good scent. I like that a lot. Alrighty, next. Oh, cool. So this is Manhattan, which is oud, wood, and bergamot. So that makes sense for Swag that he's into that. It's the ambassador of oud. Got the pump top. True. A couple drops. In Canada, right? Yes, sir. I am in Canada. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's definitely a woodsy, I would say. woodsy with the oud in the background. That's nice. Let me grab a towel and wipe this off. It's a good scent though. Yeah, that's right. I'm in Canada. There's one. Manhattan. Really sick bottles. So then, ingredients are sunflower seed, grapeseed, jojoba, hemp seed, argan, almond fruit extract, certified organic. Cool. That's awesome. Sir Viking, welcome. Jeremy Wiggs, welcome. Once again. Yep, born and raised Canadian. Lived in Canada my entire life. Canadian seems so nice. Most of us are. Like with anywhere, there's some that suck, but mostly we're pretty good. What's up, G? I got one more oil here. Yeah, what's everybody got in beer today? I'm rocking. I just put it in now. I'm forgetting. Oh yeah, Vizcaya from Magic City. And actually, it's now 12 o'clock, so my my second unboxing with more stuff from Magic City. Love that. Thanks. Yeah, link in bio. So yeah, my second unboxing with Magic City is now live on my YouTube channel, so check that out. If you want to see some more my first impressions on the rest of Magic City's scent lineup. And we got Amalfi, which is Cypress and Vetiver. Was its own beer with the nice. Shadowfly from Chronic, nice. Getting maximum use out of those crystals, 100%. Yeah, I've got them literally all the way around my studio. Yeah, facts. The CMU last night was epic. New from Kermit Drift. Okay, I see you, Maverick. You fancy like that. From last cast butter from last night. Love summer citrus today, but nice. What's up, Em? Thanks for hopping in. Yeah, and then so this is Amalfi. Really sick bottles. Let's see what this one's like. Can't even see Gary in the stream. Huh. Jamestown Mac from Bearded Mate. Ooh, nice. Good pick. That sounds awesome. Let's see what this one smells like. So I'm expecting a crisp woodsy scent. Yep, yeah, crisp woodsy scent. That's nice. That's a good one. Magic City had one. Yeah, they do. Yeah, this isn't Magic City, but my my second unboxing is live on my YouTube channel now. But this is another company. Yeah, on YouTube, Michael Zarati is my my new Magic City unboxing. Yeah. Sorry for the confusion. Silver Viking. I haven't used them in freaking months. It's terrible stuff. Got that on Friday, my first Mac order. Ooh, nice cheese head. I definitely want to pick that one up. It sounds nice. But yeah, just got some. Nothing buried. Cool, sweet. So yeah, got some epic goodies sent over from Mr Pompadour via swag. So again, shout out to Mr Pompadour. That's awesome. Chesapeake 2020 yesterday, thanks to you and swag. That's so awesome. So cool. What is this covey unboxing again? Yeah, so this is Mr Pompadour. Haven't tried these guys yet. They're out of North Carolina. Swag arranged for this stuff to be sent over. 8-Bit Beard Co, welcome. Yeah, so we got wash and conditioner, aka wash and softener. And then we got Amalfi, Cypress and Vetiver, oil, and then Manhattan, oud wood, and bergamot. Where did I get credit last month and pay for it on live stream? Nice, that's cool. Yeah, really sick bottles. Square, definitely gonna stand up. Ooh, wait. Favorite scent so I can try that one out. Ooh. yeah, Mike, when you order from Chesapeake, you gotta get the Command Daily Beard Wash. It's awesome. What's up, Jason? Jason just finished unboxing some stuff from Mr Pompadour that Swag sent over. Beard Guy 619, welcome. It's got 2 oils and then a wash and conditioner. This is in a pepperminty scent, which is also right up Swag's alley, and I'm digging peppermint as well. It's a good scent, nice, especially for like a beard wash. It's not my favorite for oils, but in a beard wash, I like it a lot. So then that's organic extracts and aloe vera. Yeah, really cool bottles too. Super unique presentation. These are 1 ounce oils as well. Yeah, I'll be testing these out and then doing a review. Luxurious from PCD. Ah, cool. Yeah, I would love to try some CBD beard products, but for whatever reason you can't send them out to Canada, which doesn't make sense. What's up, Adrian? Thanks for hopping in. Yeah, so it's what I wanted to show you guys. YouTube channel link is in my bio if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm trying to get to 300. I think I'm 2 away from 280, so 22 away from 300, which is crazy. Yeah, shout out to all the support. Shout out to everybody for coming in and watching this live. Yeah, really cool stuff from Mr Pompadour. Check him out. Peace out, y'all.